Success Technologies, where intelligence, expertise, and excellence goes all along. Since our inception in 2013, we have become the most preferred manufacturer and exporter of CNC and laser technology machines for various industrial applications in the Indian and international market. Our powerful machines are designed by 60+ experienced technocrats and are developed using world-class raw materials at our Ahmedabad-based state-of-the-art infrastructure. Our exclusive range of customized CNC machinery offers diverse application solutions with high accuracy, maximum efficiency, and quick delivery. It includes CNC engraving machine, CNC stone engraving machine, CNC mold and die making machine, CNC pattern making machine, CNC channel letter bending machines, and CNC plasma cutting machines. Our range of customized laser machineries are a sheer combination of modern design, optimum performance, and robust technologies. It includes CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine, Galaxy Fiber laser metal cutting machine, CO2 metal non-metal laser engraving machine. At Success, we ensure finest and unblemished functional life, optimal performance, less power consumption, minimum maintenance, and smooth operation in every single machine that we manufacture. Needless to mention, our products are developed in compliance with international standards following stringent quality control. We even provide consumable accessories for all our manufactured machine to ensure hassle-free operations at our client's site. We also manufacture MDF products and supply with sublimation sheets. Our purpose is to enhance productivity and profitability of industrial organization